Follow me.
No, he's talking, he just ignored me. He's still talking, now he's typing. Very clearly, that's really good evidence. It's a naked iPhone. That's right, you can't be using your phone.
Yes, you can be. I'm stationary.
No, you want to look up the highway code when you get home. Because I'll be reporting you to the police, so you got 14 days.
You're crazy.
No, don't worry. What's your number plate? H1JPC. Oh, we got some aggression here. We carry on. On his phone.